Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good and fine. Today I am going to take your class 2 subject maths. All the syllabus of your half yearly syllabus has finished. So today I am going to take your revision class. So I have just give you some problems are here. So I am going to solve these problems. After that I will also send you the study material related to this chapter plus revision work like this. The first one you will see the fill in the blanks. Okay, the first is in the this is the number line. You have to, this is the addition that you have to add in the number line. Here it is given then the numbers are given 0 to 13. So here it was already drawn the from 0 to 5, that is 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can write 0 to 5 means here you have to write 5. Then after that 5 to 9. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times jump. And here is 5 to 0 to 5. We will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. From 5 to 9 you just count the number 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. So 5 plus 4, you just count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here your answer is 9. Okay, this is your answer. Then in question B, here the numbers are given 0 to 13. So here see from 0 to 11. Here you just count from 0 to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here you will write 11. Then as it is subtraction, sorry here it will be the subtraction sign. So as it is subtraction, so the number will count the backwards. Okay, that is right side to left side. So for after that you just start counting from 11 to 1. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So from 0 to 1, that is the 1. 1 is the answer. Okay. Then the next question is 8 tens plus 4 tens, that is dash tens. The count 8 tens plus 4 tens, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 12 tens. The 8 tens you can write 8 tens means 80 and 4 tens means 40. Now you just count together 80 plus 4, that is 120. Okay, that is 12 tens. Okay, again the question number D, 48 minus dash minus 1. You have to do what you have to do? Just so 48 minus 8, we can write here 8. Then minus 1. So 40, here you can do 40 minus 1. 48 minus 8 is equal to 40 and 40 minus 1 is equal to 39. Then you can write here 39. Okay. Then 6 tens plus 1 ten minus 1 tens dash tens. So if you subtract 6 tens with my 1 tens means 6 minus 1, what will we write? 6 minus 1, that is 5 tens. If 6 plus 5 dash dash. So this is the actually it is the repeated subtraction. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Then if we subtract 11 with 5, what will be 11 minus 5, that the answer will be 6. You can also manage subtract with 11 minus 6. You can do in the both way. Okay. Then add and subtract the numbers. 5 plus 7, we have to just we have to add the numbers first from the ones place. So in the ones place, first the numbers are 645 plus 227. The first in the ones place, the two numbers are there in the top, the 5 is there, in the lower portion 7 is there. So add 5 plus 7, can you? Yes. Then 5 plus 7 is 12. So see, in 12 tens and ones is here. So this 1 will become here this side. Okay. Okay. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 6 plus 2 in the 100 place, 6, 7, 8. Like this way you can do. Then in number B, 285 plus 586. We just start counting from the ones place. The 5 plus 6 is 11. Tens, ones. Again we can write this one in the tens place, and this one will be come in the tens place. Now we can add 8 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 plus 1 is 17. Again 17, 1 will come here this side. Then 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8. Then number C, 469 plus 391. We again just fix the count from the ones place. So 9 plus 1 is 10, and this 1 will become in the tens place. 9 plus 6 is 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, plus 1, 16. 6. Again 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 is 8. Again this is subtraction. So here we have to subtract 83 minus 46. So first we have to take the ones place. In the ones place, you say in the upper portion, that is in the top, the 3, and the lower, that this is the 6th. Means in the lower portion this is 6. 6 is larger than the 3. So we have to make it the larger number. So this 3 will take number from the that is tens place. The ones place number will take the number from the tens place. As it is 8 means it is 80. Okay, this 8 tens means 8. Right, 8 tens is 80. So if we give 10 to this, then this will be 13. Okay, 3, if we add 10 plus 3, 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, then we can easily subtract, and this will be 7. That means 7 tens. So 13 minus 6, 7, and then 7 minus 4 is 3. Number D, 823 minus 528. Again we just start from the ones place. Here we have to do the same thing. This number will take number from, here you can see that in ones place, in the tens place, both the numbers are smaller than the both is a denominator, that 8, and in the tens place 1 plus is 2 and 3. So we have to make numerator will be larger than the numerator. So here, as in the tens and place, the numbers are the lesser than the lower numbers. So they will take the numbers from the 100 place. That is 8. Here to this side, to see it will be 12. 12 means here 800 means 800, or here 12 tens means 120. It will come from this 100, it will take from the 8. So that 2 plus 10 is 12, that is 12 10 is 120. So again this ones place will take number from the tens place. So again we can cut this one. It will be 11 and this one will be 13. I have shown you already how to do these problems. Okay, then this one will be 5 and 8 minus 11 is 3, and this one will be 7, that is 235. Okay, then the next problem is there are 86 apples and 45 oranges trees in an orchard. How many trees are there in all? Here you can write number of apples. You can just write, no need to write the orchard, write the 86, and number of orange equal to 45. You have to find how many trees are there. Total number of trees in an orchard. Right, tens, ones. 86 plus 45. 6 plus 5, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, and this one will become here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this one is 13. Again this one, there are 649 students in a school, 125 students are absent today. Find the number of students present. So total number of students. How many students are there? 649. Number of students absent. How many students are absent? 125. So you have to find number of students present. Number of students present. Six 49. 649 minus 125. If you find the number of students present, so you have to subtract. So 9 minus 5 is 4, then 4 minus 2 is 2, and your answer will be 524. So like this way you will do practice your the problems in your book. I have just shown you the few problems, the rest you can solve from your books. But today I just finished my class. Thank you.